Rainier plank comes in a tongue and groove profile, and just like any other tongue and groove board, on your first run, you're actually going to have to fasten the face on this right side. Now, on this tongue side, you're going to actually toe nail at a 45-degree angle, and that'll secure your first board. Now, your second board, your groove is going to go over the tongue, and then all you have to do is fasten the tongue on the left side. Now, that is actually going to show no fasteners on this type of installation. Now I'm going to show you with the galvanized trim nail, which I chose a 2.5-inch nail for this project. But the angle that you want to make sure that you're achieving in your tongue is about a 45-degree angle. And again, marking all of your ceiling joists or ceiling rafters or wall studs ahead of time will ensure that you're securely fastening this board to your surface. So if you're using a 1x8 board, you're actually going to face fasten the left and right side to properly secure the board to your surface.